Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use ClickUp's goals for effective team alignment, your complete guide for 2025. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Goals section in your ClickUp dashboard. This is where you'll create and manage all your team goals. It's a crucial step because it serves as your command center for goal tracking, encouraging transparency and collective progress. Now that we've done that, let's kickstart the process by creating a new goal. Simply click on the Add Goal button. The reason we do this is to establish a clear focus for your team. Each goal should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or what we often call SMART. Next up, we need to break down our main goal into smaller, manageable targets, or key results. Click on Add Key Result under your newly created goal. These key results should correspond directly to your main goal. This helps us because it allows your team to tackle the goal in bite-sized pieces, increasing the chances of successful completion. Now let's assign these key results to team members. To do this, click on the Assign button near each key result and select a team member. We do this to create individual accountability and foster ownership among team members. Let me explain why this matters. When team members have a clear understanding of their responsibilities, they are more likely to be engaged and productive. Last but not least, don't forget to set a timeline for each key result. Click on Set Due Date and choose a date. This is essential because it gives your team a clear time frame to work within, promoting efficiency and timely completion of tasks. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use ClickUp's goals for team alignment. By following these steps, you can streamline your team's efforts towards common objectives. Remember, alignment is all about creating a shared understanding of where you're heading and how you'll get there. So, go ahead and make the most of ClickUp's goals. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.